Well, day one, I slept in the van. Yeah, I'm in West Virginia. It is so cold. I was freezing, so it's like 7 something. I went to bed around midnight and I couldn't sleep well. Like I was paranoid because there was cars that were going by like sporadically, and I was paranoid that they were gonna come and boot me out of my spot, even though it says, like, it doesn't say no parking. So, other than that, it went pretty well. The dog slept through the whole night. The cat was just like back and forth. His litter box is back by my bed, and I put his food up front because last night he was up front, so he was like going back and forth, and then he was like climbing on top of me like usual to sleep, and I'm tired and cold. So I made it to North Carolina. I'm in Asheville now. I'm taking the dogs for a walk in a park down by the river. So tomorrow we're gonna go explore Asheville. We spent the night last night in West Virginia and went to the waterfall, and it was really pretty. It was my first night sleeping in the van, so I was a little, I think, excited, but at the same time tired. Oh, dogs are pulling me, sorry. But yeah, so it went well overall. Oh my goodness. Tatum. Hi. Hey guys, so it is Sunday and it's been raining all day long. Which, I mean, it's not bad. So I've been chilling in the van a lot, and I actually came to this park. I looked it up and it had like a dog park in it, and like paved trails. So I took the dogs for like a half-hour walk, and then towards the end of the park is the dog park, and of course it's raining, so no one else was there. So I decided to let Roscoe and Tatum go in there and run around to burn off some energy. And there's a lot of mud. So it wasn't too bad. I had a towel that I used to wipe their feet off the other day, so I did that. And there's actually an inside bathroom here, so after I wiped them down, I took it in there and rinsed it off, and it's hanging up to dry. But yeah, I pretty much just been hanging out in the van with him today. Yeah, that's about it. Tatum right now is on watch duty. There's still some people like running, and a couple other people have come with their dogs. So she barks at them as they go by every once in a while. I don't know how she picks and chooses who she barks at. Like 3 dogs went by, and then this little like Pomeranian, and Tatum was like losing it. And then we were watching these kids play sword fighting under a pavilion. I mean, yeah, I watched them. So creepy. That sounds creepy. Oh God. It's because they were sword fighting. That really did sound creepy. Oh my God. Anyways, so we're gonna just hang out here at the park, so I could probably take them out to the bathroom as needed, and then I can go to the bathroom as needed. So I wanted to straighten up the van a little more. I just have way too much stuff, and it's kind of, I need to get rid of some of it. But I thought I did do really well. But anyways, yeah, so we went to, what's it called? The River Art District in Asheville, and I walked them around there too today. And we took some pictures of like the graffiti on the walls and stuff. And it was like a light drizzle then, so not too bad. But tomorrow it's not supposed to rain, so we'll see what happens. But I want to go downtown, rain or shine, I guess I should go. And do some stuff down there, and yeah, we'll see. One thing I do love about Asheville, I just want to throw that in, there's like little parks everywhere. Like even like the one I was parked by over at Walmart was super freaking tiny, but I loved it. Also, so I looked up online, and a lot of people said, oh, don't park at Walmart because they're not letting people stay overnight there anymore. And to park at Kohl's. So I parked at Kohl's, and I was sleeping for like a half hour. And then a security guard knocked on my door. I assumed it was him. But I was like, it's like when you're just falling asleep and you're kind of out of it. So I'm like trying to open the door and hold the dogs back because they're barking. And he was nice though. He was like, oh, you can't stay overnight here. So I had to go to Walmart, which was like in the same parking circle thing. And so I went over to Walmart, and I was like, please just don't let me get booted again, because I'm tired. I like my sleep. But so yeah, I stayed there and slept until, I went to bed at like 10 something and slept until like 7 in the morning. I will say I'm loving the sleeping and all the extra like walking and stuff I'm getting to do with my dogs and stuff, so that's nice. And then as soon as I actually get to go out and do some more things in Asheville, I'm gonna have that video posted, so I'm excited. But for now, I have the waterfall at the beginning of this video. And let me know in the comments like if you got what you guys think about, I didn't put any music in this video. One, because I love the sound of water and like waterfalls, and I didn't want to like mute it. I didn't want to mute it. So I left it because I like the sound, but just let me know what you guys think. And yeah, that's about it. Have a great day, guys.